Hello, how are you doing? My name is Dan Ewa. I'm the president of Widow Giants. I teach financial education and I make money from cryptocurrency. If you want to know how I make money from cryptocurrency, just click on the link in the description of this video, pdsp.us/fe. Alright, and if you get any kind of value from this video, kindly share, like, and comment on this video. And if you're watching me right now on YouTube, remember to click on the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Alright, thank you so much. So today I want to talk on what the rich understands about money that the poor don't. Part 2. Yesterday I did part 1. And I have, in my previous videos, I explained the meaning of poverty and then the meaning of brokenness. I said poverty and brokenness are two different things. Poverty is the state of ignorance, alright? It's not the absence of money, but the state of ignorance. The absence of money is broke, alright? That you're broke does not mean you're poor, and that you have money does not mean you're rich, alright? So I made that clear in my previous videos. And I also explained that money is fluid. Money is a current, alright? It's a currency from the word current. And so you couldn't pack money and think you're saving it. You couldn't save money because money is already debt. Money stopped being money in 1973. Right now, money is debt. All you need to do, and this is one thing the rich understand, is put your money in an investment vehicle that will bring you returns over and above whatever the inflation rate is. I explained that also in my previous videos. So I just needed to give you this background to understand what we are going to be talking about today. What the rich understand about money that the poor don't. One thing the rich understand about money that the poor don't is that the poor keep looking for how to make money, while the rich keep looking for systems that will help them make money. That's the difference. The poor look for how to make money. The rich look for systems that will help them make money. So the poor look for how to make money, while the rich look to build businesses. Alright? So the rich look to build businesses. According to Forbes magazine, a business is an organization that has a minimum of 500 employees. That is a business. At that point, it's a system. That means that that business does not need your physical presence to exist. Alright, at that point, it's a system. Whether you're there, whether you're not there, the business goes on. That is a definition of a business according to Forbes magazine, and I quite agree with that. So the rich keep looking for systems. They want to build systems that can actually exist off of them. That is, whether they are there or not, these systems keep existing. That is exactly what the rich looks to build. Now, you would ask me, for the regular guy, therefore, if the rich always build systems, that is businesses that can run without their physical presence. Now, the question would be, the rich does this because they have the wherewithal. They have the social capital, they have the financial capital, they have the skill, they have the clout, and all of those things. How does the regular guy who wants to be rich build a system? Or how does the regular guy who wants to be rich build a business that will have this kind of system that the rich has, such that this system or this business makes them money with or without their physical involvement or presence? That's the question, alright? Now, the simple solution to this is network marketing. Unfortunately, in this part of the world, people have wrong impression about network marketing. But really, network marketing is the solution for the regular guy to build a big business. Alright? So before now, you needed humongous capital to build a business, a large business, according to the definition of Forbes, 500 plus employees. But in the 21st century, network marketing has demystified that. Anybody, any regular guy can build a big business through network marketing, because most good and solid network marketing companies already have the system developed for you that they are willing to give you to run with. All you need to do is to do some little work and this system begin to run themselves. All right. Now, having said that, that does not mean you should just go about looking for any network marketing company to run with. Of course, there are things you should look out for in network marketing company. Of course, the quality of the product is very, very key. Your passion about the product is also very key. Your knowledge about the product is also very key. And one thing that I put as my number one priority is training. Only join network marketing companies that prioritize your training. One thing you gain from joining a solid network marketing is training. I humorously say this. Now, network marketing is the only industry where mentors are willing to share freely with proteges. In most other industries, you would need to pay a mentor for him to mentor you. The network marketing space is the place where mentors are willing to come down to the levels of proteges, take them from where they are, and train them for free. So it is not about where you're going, but it's about the man and the woman that you will become on your way to getting to where you're going. That is what network marketing is about. For a lot of people, network marketing will teach you the skill of presenting, confidence, to get away from stage fright. Those are some of the things, life skills, that network marketing will teach you. Personal development, leadership, entrepreneurship, public speaking. Those are skills that you need if success is what you want. And a very solid network marketing company will afford you that opportunity and also afford you a system to build a big business and get fast into financial freedom. All right. So this particular video is not about telling you what network marketing company to join. It's left for you to really go out there and begin to do a research and join a solid network marketing company for your own training first and foremost, and then to begin to build your own system. You want to do exactly what the rich are doing. They are building their own system. They are building their own business, and that is why they are rich. You, the regular guy who does not have the social capital or the financial capital to build that kind of a business or system, network marketing is your shortcut to success. All right. So I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to be talking about how to build the Forbes kind of business. All right. So I'm going to take it one step forward tomorrow to teach you how exactly to build the Forbes kind of business. Remember, I told you that according to Forbes, a business and organization with at least 500 employees. So tomorrow we'll be talking about how to build that kind of business. All right. Thank you so much. Remember, as I would always say, you are made for more and you are more than this. Please do comment, do like and share this video. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye now.